Growing a bean plant. On a beautiful spring afternoon, Jack and Grandma Flora are in the garden. Grandma Flora opens a small tin box and takes out something very special. In the palm of his hand, Jack discovers a seed. It is a bean seed, very dry, hard, and speckled. Can this little thing really become a plant? Jack asks. Yes, Grandma Flora replies. She brings over a pretty terracotta pot filled with dark, soft soil. Jack leans in to touch the cool earth with his fingers. Jack gently takes the bean seed. With his index finger, he pokes a small hole in the middle of the pot. He places the bean inside and tucks it in with soil, as if he were putting it to bed. Now the seed is thirsty. Grandma Flora hands Jack a small blue watering can. Jack pours a little water, just enough to dampen the soil without drowning the little bean. Days pass by. Jack checks his pot every morning, but nothing moves. He must be very patient. The sun shines on the windowsill and gently warms the earth. One morning, Jack cries out, "Grandma, look!" A tiny green loop is peeking out of the soil. It is the bean's stem, finally starting to unfold. The bean plant grows very quickly. Grandma Flora watches as the first leaves open up to the sun. They look like two little green hearts searching for the light. The plant becomes so tall that it starts to lean over. Grandma Flora and Jack set up a long wooden stake. They carefully tie the stem to it with a little piece of red yarn. A few weeks later, pretty white flowers appear between the leaves. Jack leans in to admire them closely. They are very small and very delicate. Eventually, the flowers fall away, and in their place, Grandma Flora shows Jack something new. There are thin green pods hanging down. These are the beans growing. The pods have grown long and plump. Grandma Flora gives Jack a small basket. Together, they pick the beans one by one. "What a treasure!" Jack exclaims. Jack sits down at the kitchen table. He opens a pod that they left to ripen until it was dry and crunchy. Inside, he finds seeds exactly like the one he first planted. Jack and Grandma Flora put the new seeds away in the little tin box. "We will plant them next year," Grandma Flora explains. "The cycle of life begins again."